Today I am excited. We are making my mom's special cheese pies. In Greece, you call them tyropites. In Crete, you call them misithropites. This was my mom's special recipe. My kids loved Yaya's cheese pies. We miss my mom very much, so this is for her. This summer, my daughter Jeannie went to Crete. Jeannie stayed with my aunt, Thea Iphigenia, and they made the cheese pies. When we were making the cheese pies, it felt like my mom was with us in the kitchen. We get a bowl and we take 1 cup with warm water, a half a teaspoon of salt, put 1/3 of olive oil, you put 1/4 of a cup of rum, and you give it a nice mix. Then you add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then you keep mixing it till you get the right texture. Then you keep mixing it till the dough feels right. Then you cover it and you put it in a refrigerator for like 4 to 6 hours. In the meantime, you can fix the cheese. You can get the cheese ready. For this recipe, I use 1 pound of Mizithra. Mizithra, it's a mild cheese. It tastes like a ricotta cheese, and they make it in Crete. But I did get a chance to get it in a Greek shop in Queens. With that, you can use a half a teaspoon of salt or 1 teaspoon of salt, depends how much you like. And the same thing with sugar. You can put a half a teaspoon of sugar or a whole teaspoon of sugar. And then you put a half a teaspoon of dry mint. You give it a nice mix, you put it in a refrigerator. When the dough is ready, I like to take one of the cutting boards made out of wood and I sprinkle it with flour, and then I put the dough on the top. By putting the flour on the top of the dough, it doesn't stick in your fingers. Then you take a pinch of the dough and you try. And what you do with the dough is 2 ways to do it. One, you can put it on your hand and stretch it with your finger. The key with the dough, it has to be very thin. Or the way I do it, I put it on the cutting board and I keep pressing it with my hand, almost like you make a tiny cheese pie, but you want the dough to be very thin. Thinner the dough is, better the cheese pie is going to take. Then you take almost like a tablespoon and you put the cheese on it, but you shape it as a ball. Then you put it right on the middle of the dough you just spread. And then you cover the cheese little by little so all the cheese is covered. If you have any extra dough on the top, you just cut it. And then push down the cheese pie and it's nice and thin. And you get all the cheese pies ready. So that way, when you want to start cooking them, they're all ready. When the cheese pies are ready, we fry them very gently in olive oil. Not too hot, not too fast. You want them golden, not dark. They puff a little. They get light and crispy outside and soft and cheesy inside. You can eat them plain like I do or with a drizzle of Greek honey on the top. On my channel, I almost never use white flour because I try to cook healthier. But for this recipe, I kept it exactly like my mom made it, to honor her and her memory. When we make these cheese pies, it is not just food. It is love. It is family. It is Crete in one bite. I hope you try Yaya's cheese pies and make your own memories with the people you love. Subscribe, like, and share.